Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain world number one company Mercedes-Benz started their hiring for management training. Overall graduated BE, BTech, MBA student in marketing. I am going to explain the detail, overall eligible, everything. So watch the video till end. To miss this Mercedes-Benz company, you should wait for another 1 year. So they have just posted their job for management training marketing. The qualification and job description, location Pune, job profile management training marketing. You can change after 6 months to your native places, Bangalore or Kerala or Tamil Nadu. Experience 0 to 1. Responsibilities, support and coordinate of campaign for Swiss, support the team with launch new vehicle and event management, retail campaign and online campaign, support in alignment of internal terms of creativities, creative agency coordination, social media marketing of the product. Required skill they are having solution oriented and pragmatic, creative and trend setting, able to collaborate remotely, knowledge to digital marketing activities must, proficient in communication skill both oral and written. This all that they are expecting from the candidate. So one of the mass hiring, if you miss it, you cannot get it once again for marketing students or MBA students. It's full and full market bins. So I should not say anything about bins. You already know one of the most expensive courses in the world. Currently, they are hiring only marketing training just for freshers, MBA student or BCom. So overall, having accountants and marketing field, they can apply. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.